In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit legend text in Excel and PowerPoint charts step by step. If you've ever created a chart and noticed the legend names don't look right, maybe they say Series 1, Series 2, or something unclear, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to properly rename and customize that legend text, and also how to change the chart style and colors to make everything look professional. This works in both Excel and PowerPoint because they use the same chart editing system. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Excel or PowerPoint, depending on where you want to create your chart. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. In the Insert tab, look for the Chart option and click on it. A dialog box will appear showing different chart types, such as column, line, pie, and more. For this example, select Column, then choose the standard clustered column chart and click OK. As soon as you click OK, a chart will appear in your document, along with a small Excel datasheet window. This is where your chart data is stored. In PowerPoint, an embedded Excel sheet will open. In Excel, you'll see your data directly in the worksheet. Now, to edit the legend text, you need to understand that the legend is connected to the series names in your data. Inside the Excel datasheet, look at the top row of your data table. You'll notice default names like Series 1, Series 2, and so on. To change the legend text, simply click into the cell that contains Series 1 and type the name you actually want, for example, Sales 2026 or Marketing Budget. Press Enter and you'll immediately see the legend update in the chart. Repeat this for any other series names you want to change. If you prefer another method, you can also edit the legend text by clicking directly on the chart, then going to the Chart Design tab at the top. Click on Select Data. A new window will pop up showing the legend entries, which are your series. Select the series you want to rename, then click Edit. In the series name field, you can either type a new name directly or select a cell that contains the name you want to use. Click OK, then click OK again, and your legend will update instantly. Once your legend text looks correct, you can improve the appearance of your chart. Click on the chart, then go to the Chart Design tab and explore the Chart Style section. Here, you can quickly apply different predefined styles to change the overall look. To change colors, click on Change Colors in the same tab and choose a color palette that matches your presentation or brand. You can also click on individual bars in the chart to manually format them by right-clicking and selecting Format Data Series, where you can adjust fill colors, borders, and more. And that's it. You now know how to edit legend text in Excel and PowerPoint charts, how to use select data to customize series names, and how to change styles and colors to make your chart stand out. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.